wheel. Did you guys know it was invented by George Ferris? What a way to name something after yourself. Is that right? That's cool. First Ferris wheel, American engineer George Ferris in 1893. Let's see. I wonder why he did it. I don't even know, but I'll let you guys do that. Okay, well, fair, most likely. The diameter of the Ferris wheel was 250 feet across. Diameter is from one side of the circle to the other, right? It had 36 cars, each of which held 40 passengers. Hold on, each of 40 passengers? What? Right, modern Ferris wheels like hold 4 or something, right? 40. 40. Uh-huh. Yeah. Crazy. So it was pretty short. Yeah. The top of the Ferris wheel was 264 feet above the ground, and it took 20 minutes to complete one revolution. Oh, let's take a look at it, because I got interested. Oh, true, yeah. Uh-huh. So let's see. So I guess I got interested in it. I don't know why. It's just one of those things like, I wonder if, right? There's wonder if questions. So I went and I figured out, okay, I'm going to go comparison of Ferris wheels. Ready? So just the height of it. So here's the comparison. So here's Ferris wheel, his right here, 1890. So actually pretty big comparison. Then you got the next one, which is, let me zoom in because this one, let's go with wheels since the time of Ferris. How about that? The Wonder Wheel, 1920. Took 6 minutes to get across. And then, oh, look at that. How many riders? 2,160 riders at a single time. Right there. Whew. Then it was made for the Chicago World's Fair. To rival Gustavo Eiffel Paris Tower. Oh, wow. Like, you know what? We can build something too. So, So let's go with it here. So the Wonder Wheel. Then we got, look at that gap though, right? 70 years later, 80 years almost later, right? Like the London Eye right there. It gets, and then the Singapore Flyer. And then the Beijing Great Wheel eventually. Boom, there it is. So as far as number of passengers, right? Getting close, right? But they're a lot more spread across though. Okay, we're good there. Anybody been on any one of these? A Ferris wheel, okay, yeah. That's cool. Okay, going back over here, what did I do here? Let's see. Oh yeah, hold on. So then I forgot this one here. So let's go on. So this guy here, we got the Dubai Eye. Did you guys know that was made a few years ago? Let's see, Singapore Flyer, that's the connection right here, right? So this is this one here. So there's the New York wheel, which is 600, just real quick here, 623 feet high, is that right? Still smaller than this one, right? And then we have the Dubai Eye, which is 821 feet high, which now is the biggest fair wheel on Earth. We good? Fair wheel. It's a fair wheel. Fair wheel. All right. How do I get out of here? So then I went on some more because I got to do it because it kind of is cool. Then I went on. I think this is it right here. This is a video of what it looks like on the inside. You better play. Play now. Go. Oh, no way. I lost the. I can't believe I lost the connection. No way. Okay, I will find it. Media not available. Okay, I have to find it next time here. It's the, let's see if we can find it a little later. Let's do the problem ourselves and let's see if we have time afterwards here. Bummer. Why isn't that? Okay, so let's go back to George. George says it was 250 feet high. Is that right? I'm sorry. Diameter was 250. So that means the radius has to be 150, 125. Every grade there. Then it says the height of it was 264. Awesome. So that means it'd have to be 14 feet high. So the platform that it came on or for the writers to get on, was 14 feet high. Are we good there? And there's my angle. My angle is a 45-degree angle. So the question is, how high is a person if they have an angle of 45 degrees? How high are they above the ground? So I'm going to go like this first, and then we go from there. So this is, we can do this. I figured just do this as a class. This is a little bit of a trivia question. So you guys give it to me here. Anybody that, let me put my time here. All yours figure out. Go ahead. Any way we can kind of work it out. Oh, let's see. Is it halfway from the middle to 14 feet? I figure, yeah, this would be 45 degrees. Yeah, so it'd have to be the middle of this right here, right? Yeah. Okay, 62.5 feet. 62, thank you. 62.5 feet. We good? And then, Karis, you had to answer. You had your hand raised. I'm just asking, is it halfway? Are you for sure? Do you guys think it's for sure halfway? We don't know it yet, but are we confident in it? You just say it? We could just say it. Okay. Let's see, there's H. So we need to figure out H. We can figure out X. But, going ahead of myself here. Okay. And I wonder if it is halfway. So I'll do it my way, but let's do it our way as a class first. So if it is 62.5, how high is a person above the ground? Okay, so I got 62.5 here, and it's the addition of these two. Is that right? Okay. Let's see if that is right. This is the way I did it. Let's see if we get the same answer here. So I got cosine of 45 degrees is x over 125. Everybody agreed there. And let's see if we get the same answer. Anybody on the calculator can do that. Oh, it isn't. What? Why not? Why not? Why is our calculation wrong? And how come it's not exactly halfway? Say again? How come it's not exactly halfway? Lower, because we're going towards a center of a circle. Is that right? Everybody agreed there. So it means that this side, right? So for a 45-degree angle, right, it just means that this x right here and this x are the same, right? It doesn't say anything about anything here. We good there? Okay, so then we go on. Let's see if that is the case. That means 88.4. So that means I got this to deal with now. $125 plus 14. We good there? Let's see. Oh, sorry. Go ahead. We just need to figure out h. Is that right? Yeah. Okay. So I'm gonna go. Let's see. The whole thing would be 125. True. And then I have an extra 14 here because, right, it touches the ground. True. So I have 139 feet is from the middle of this guy all the way to the bottom of the platform. Okay. And then how about I just subtract what I have? Okay, are we good there? So anybody with the calculator real quick here? 50.6 or about 51 feet or 50.6 if you want to be precise. Are we good? Okay, let's see. In our physics class, the fun part of physics, let's see if this is the end here. Blah, 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 blah. Okay. Yeah. I'm going to go back real quick here. Here you go. All right, just one question. That's all we did today. This was it's an honors question here, but I did want to time remaining just for 2 minutes, real quickly here. Almost there, almost there. And okay, tell me if you're done copying it down. Are we good with that? We're good. Is the person sitting inside this little car if it forms a 45-degree angle? How is the person sitting above the ground? Okay. All right, class. I got one thing that we're going to use, so I might as well start looking at now. We have something called a protractor that I've built into something like this. And just 1 minute, we'll get out of here. And then what I do is I have a little straw right here. So this is going to be our makeshift surveying tool that we're going to use next week, maybe this week. And what you do is you put your eyeball right over here, right, and you look through here. And you look to an object that's over here. We good? No, it's a little bit different. Yeah. So, so if you look this way, notice this is flat, right? You're at exactly 90 degrees. But what is the angle of elevation for you? 0, is that right? Because we're looking flat, right? So now the question is, if I go like this, you tell me what is the angle of elevation if I'm looking at an object that high? Like that eyeball here. What is that? Cool. Okay. So what is the angle measurement here? What's the angle measurement though? 58, right? But notice when we were here, it was 0, right? But we were at 90, right? So you would always have to subtract from 90. So angle of elevation here is? Arno, 8, 32 degrees. We good? So we just might be using this a little bit later on. Good? Minus the angle that you got, yeah, from the side. Yeah. You got it. You are welcome, guys. You guys enjoy the rest of your day.